Hello guys, review INFINIX SMART 10, this version 4GB RAM memory and 128GB storage. Okay, 120Hz, INFINIX AI, speakers, good speakers, and IP64 water dust resist. Okay, open box and look complementation. Complementation I have of course device in the gray color, looks good. And other complementation, adapter for charging, Type-C cable and protected back cover. Okay. On the back side we have double camera, LED, on this side slot for SIM cards, on this side power button, wall buttons, the other side Type-C, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Open settings. We have display IPS HD resolution 120Hz. About phone we have XOS 15 version, Android 15. Close this. Open Geekbench 6. We have CPU Unisoc T7250 and GPU Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Open Antutu benchmark. Undo the benchmark results, close this, and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game load, and load on the medium graphic level. Okay, that's good level for this device. Game works good. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.